And welcome back to part 2 of our sound deadening to the VW T6. So in this one we're going to be finishing off the sound deadening, so we'll give you a little view around all of that. We are also fitting the Black Stag Edition Decals to the sides of the vehicle there in a grey, and a couple of other little bits and pieces as well. So stay tuned for this. As always, like and subscribe to our channel, and well, let's get into part 2 and get everything finished, ready to go back to the customer. Thanks very much. Are you about done, Ad?
We're about done, mate. We've just got to rivet the new speaker in.
Very good, look at that.
Plug it in.
Nice and neatly done, as always. Right. And you got some inside the door, look.
A little bit up in here, just a couple of squares in there to take
that's
vibrations.
That's spot on. That'll help the outer door skin. That's looking good, mate. Look nice and smart. Would expect nothing less.
Early times, right?
So now what is it now, the speaker?
Now speaker, yeah.
New speaker in, lovely.
New speaker.
On Fraser's on it on the other side, didn't you, mate? On the dark side?
Yeah, not quite as close as what he is.
That's fine, mate. You're doing well. You're doing well. Keep up the good work.
Doing alright, isn't he? Doing alright.
There we go. They fit quite nicely, Ad?
Yeah, they are literally plug and play, as they say.
Yeah. It'll be interesting to see hear the difference with all the sound deadening and the speaker upgrade.
Yeah. Quite tough on these ones. Quite tough on ones, isn't it?
I'm in the way here, aren't I? Some more rivets.
You're never in the way here.
Rivet and stuff.
Oh, really?
So we also have the other Caddy van that we've done a load of hydro dipping on. That's back in with us to have some side skirts fitted. We did do a rear bumper, custom rear bumper for this a little while ago, along with Mr. P's that we're doing all the sound deadening on to my side there. Don't forget to follow our hashtag bloodsweatandcakes as well. And here's the Caddy. This is a cool bit of kit, this one. This is on one of our other videos, which is our hydro dip into it. And we have it in at the moment to to fit some supplied side sort of skirts. So a little bit challenging this, and this is, like I say, this we'll show you inside. Look. So when we've done the hydro dipping, this is pretty cool. And you can check this out. I'll put the link above. It's on one of our other videos. And the backing colour was to match the stitching on the seats. Done the engine cover as well, so check out the other video, link above. Get it on.
Get it on.
Time to get the door card back on. James is here to help. He's holding the knob out the way.
Holding the knob, plugging it out the way.
Not really see a lot, to be honest.
He's sort of gone holding the whole shot, isn't he?
It's going straight in. And I've got you in, James, don't worry, you're in it. Playing a vital role.
Be the one that go viral, I reckon, mate.
You know it.
Be the one, wouldn't it?
Ad's just connecting all the switches for the windows. I think that's what you're doing anyway.
Door handle for the minute.
Oh, door handle. He's connecting the door handle mechanism up. Ready to get that on. James is just inserting the knob into the correct hole.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Pulled his knob too hard.
Oh no, you be careful. Make your eyes water.
I think it's all his things now, too.
That's just using a little bit of gentle persuasion, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Do it, mate. He wouldn't do that, mate. You wouldn't do that to old Andy's van, would you, mate?
Not Andy P's.
Looks like you're about there.
Lovely job. Right.
This door is nearly finished. We're going to see how Fraser is doing. It's got a little bit more light here from the spray booth, haven't you? Haven't you, pal?
Yeah. A little bit more light, you know.
A lovely job.
Take a steps back.
That's looking fine, mate. It's going on nicely. This will be the quietest VW T6 out there.
Yeah, it sounded really well. Even just talking it
No, I mean, that really has made a difference, mate, hasn't it? Putting that on. It's made even his talking quieter. He's normally a lot louder than this.
I can't hear what I'm saying.
Thank goodness you got the door open. Won't be able to hear anything. But
Yeah, I know when you shut it. It makes a big difference.
that is impressive stuff, the Dynamat. Good demonstration there, Fraser. Good demonstration.
Right on, Fraser.
Well done, Fraser.
Right on, Sam.
We can still hear Adam though, can't we?
Enough Dynamat in the world.
Come on, we come back round here. We go back. Adam's got something to show us. Apologies in advance if it's not something that everyone wants to see.
I've got a new set.
Just
Just thought I'd show them off. No, look at that. Lovely, huh?
that is a bit smart, that mate. That is a bit on the smart
gear,
side.
mate.
All the gear
Yeah.
and plenty of ideas.
Yeah, you know, have a look at that.
Quick, you make sure you get that screw in, mate.
Ah, here we go. Here we go. It wasn't
he's
quite
got
hole.
He's there. Hello, James. Hello. This was a full-size Mini. What have you done? You shrunk it?
Shrunk it, mate.
Shrunk and...
Cold, mate. Dunking up.
Shrunk and dunked in the Mini. How much smaller they look than the modern Mini, you know? Tiny little thing. A little bit of paintwork to this little beauty on the front, haven't we?
Apparently so, mate. Apparently so. I'm going to paint it brown.
Brown? Get it brown?
Well, no, I've got to paint it, mate.
You got to do it brown.
You've got to live on brown, mate. You got like brown minis.
Brown Minis? We all like brown Minis, don't we? Go, Adam. Right. So Ad is fitting the tweeters.
Well, I'm just removing one.
Oh, sorry,
first.
I do apologise.
That's okay. Do you want to start again, or should we go with it?
No, we'll go with it, mate.
Okay,
We'll go
mate.
with it. I take two.
So I'm just, they're plastic welded in, you see. So I'm using a very hot soldering iron here
Okay, mate.
to unplastic weld them.
Excuse the noise from our compressor. Hopefully you got that. Ta-da! Right, so that's the old one.
Now we're going to go straight back in with brand new.
So there's the brand new one.
Brand new they are.
Brand new, mate. Brand new.
Hold on a minute, something's going on here. Ah, there we go. Look. That's how they go, mate. You see what I've done there?
I have seen what you've done there.
This is very hot soldering iron
You
again.
want me to hold it?
To just, no, should be right, mate. Done it before, huh?
There we go.
Just
Solder
to
the
do it
plastic,
together now.
solder it back together.
Burn through the
Or
wire.
back in place, not back together. Lovely. And then that's and they're plug and play, as they say, as well. So that'll mean that Mr. P's got his tweeters as well. All wired in.
Mr. P is going to be a happy man at Christmas, isn't he?
I think he'll be happy. He's always happy,
Mate,
isn't he?
that's
He's
that
always
one
happy.
done, look.
Lovely times.
Lovely.
Right, okay, so to Mr. P's van, we are also fitting one of our, or a set of our decals to the lower sides on it. So this is our Black Stag Edition Decals, because Andy's had quite a lot of stuff done by our good selves to this van, with the hydro dipping, little bits and pieces of bodywork, and of course all the sound deadening that we are now doing. So we're going to go and see the guys. They're now getting I think the second decal fitted. They've already done one side, so we're going to have a look, see how they're getting on. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, mate.
Come and see how you're getting on with the old decals, mate.
You doing alright, we raise that?
Yeah, I was doing it right until someone sort of took over.
Go on,
Is it-
come on.
Come on then, mate. You carry
He's
on.
desperate to do it, so
Come on then.
I don't trust the boy to make that tea, but if he wants to do it, let him do it, mate.
I was actually just about to say, but you beat me to it, Ad, because I was just about to say, you stand there and put your hands in your pockets. You beat me to it, mate. Beat me
Mate,
to.
let's have a nice hot chocolate this morning. Comes down. Oh, made tea and I. Did this happen, Alan? Yes, it did.
Thanks for the ball in the kettle, mate. It's hot, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was hot, mate.
By the time I got
I'll
around
give
to
you that.
drinking.
Come on then, Fraser, what you talk us through it, mate? What are we at?
So just learning to ride our bike at the minute.
No, that's out there, mate.
Oh yeah.
Lining it all up, are you, bud?
I think you got to take it back.
I've already got it all lined up. No, it sticks. I've used
Yep.
the power adhesive on the back. It's probably not going to be as smooth as the other side.
No, you've done a lovely job, I'm sure. It's lining it up nicely. Shall we go and have a little look at the other side, shall we?
I don't know. So tell him I don't know.
That's done the other side. Here we go. Ready?
Can I just point out? No, actually, I won't raise up.
Here we go, look.
It's nice, isn't it? Hey?
Even better if he cleared all his mess up. But anyway. How's he doing, pal?
It's doing alright, apart from... Yeah, I think we'll be alright.
You'll be fine, won't you, mate? You'll be fine.
That'll be alright in the night, won't it?
Here we go. Peel away, Francois, as you've done the sticking. Don't worry, I'll speed this bit up.
Pull it off, mate.
I know, don't want anything to come off with it.
Not going to come off with it. You stuck it on, haven't you?
No.
Just go a little
Well, you
bit
definitely don't want it to come off.
Try and hit that bit straight. So you hit it, yeah. That's been
Big unveil.
in his life.
So this is pretty cool. We have just had a customer, a very good, well, very nice guy to have done this. So a guy called David has just had us delivered 2 packs of biscuits, handmade to order shortbread biscuits. So we'll show you. We'll have a little open of the packet. These are lovely customers. This is how it come, look. And this is from Little Bee Bakes. Look, here we go. So he's ordered them from. They even come with a little thing to say when they've been freshly baked and packaged. Look at that. And here we go, a little unwrapping of them. What do you think, James?
I think I'm going to take them soon as you open it up.
I couldn't agree more. Here we go, look. Yeah, good special. I'm trying to do this with one hand, mate.
Yeah, well done. Doing a grand job.
Thank you very much. Hey James, unwrap that for us, James.
My hands isn't really for TV, you know.
Oh, they're all right.
Hands for radio, mate.
I'll edit some big special fingers in there. Look at that, look.
There we
You
go.
gonna take one? James gonna try one?
Gonna.
Let us know what you think, James. Good? Nice.
Some good shortbread, mate.
Very nice. Very kind of you. Thank you very much, David. We'll all dig into them in a moment with a cup of tea. Happy days. Hi guys, and thank you for checking out one of our videos. We've really enjoyed, as always, working with Mr. P's a VW T6 transporter. It's been a pleasure doing a few more bits on this one. In the past we've done the hydro dipping and some bodywork repairs, which is on one of our other videos, so check that out. But on this occasion we have done all the sound deadening. So we have removed all the seats and carpet out of the front and any other relevant bits, the 2 front door cards, and also all 4 wheels up at the vehicle up in the air, and all the inner wheel arch liners have been out, and we've supplied and fitted a Dynamat sound deadening. So this has made a massive difference to how we've reduced the noise inside the cab and inside the vehicle, but also made a big difference to the doors with the speakers, and just keeping a nice clear sound inside the vehicle as well for the door speakers. We've fitted the upgraded speakers as well that the customer Andy supplied, and put everything back together. So we are now all done with this. Everything's back together. Oh, not forgetting, of course, we fitted our Black Stag Edition decals to the sides. So now Andy has a limited edition Black Stag vehicle. And along with all the other bits we've done, of course, that's a nice finishing touch. Massive thanks to him for all his support over the last few years with his vehicles. Been a pleasure. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the old notifications. That way I stay fully up to date with everything. We'll give you a final look around the vehicle, and we will hopefully catch you again soon for the next one. Thanks very much.